Yes, in this video we talk about prokaryotic cell. Here, what is meant by prokaryotic cell? Here, the prokaryotic cell, which means the absence of the nucleus, absence of the membrane bound nucleus, absence of the membrane bound nucleus. So that is called the prokaryotic cell. Here, the nucleus is absent in the cell. Nucleus is absent in the cell. The membrane bound nucleus is absent in the cell. That cell is called prokaryotic cell. What are the prokaryotic cells are there? See here the bacteria, blue-green algae are the cyanophytes bacteria. Here the blue-green algae. Here the blue-green algae are the cyanophysian bacteria and mycoplasma and PPLO. Here the pleuropneumonia-like organisms. Here the prokaryotic organisms are the bacteria, cyanophysian bacteria, mycoplasma and pleuropneumonia-like organisms. These are prokaryotic organisms. See here the cell. Here it is enveloped by the cell wall. Here it is a bacterial cell which is enveloped by the cell wall. And so these are having the different kinds of the structures they are having. See here the example, the rod shaped bacteria is there. The rod shaped bacteria, that is called bacillus. Example, the bacillus. Some are rod shaped bacteria are there. Example, bacillus. Some are comma shaped bacteria also there. Comma shaped bacteria also there. Example, vibrio bacteria. And some are spherical shaped bacteria. That is example, coccus bacteria, which is a spherical shaped. And some are spiral shaped bacteria there. Example, spirillum bacteria. Some are having the different kinds of the shapes. So the prokaryotic organisms have the bacteria, the rod shaped bacteria, example the bacillus, and comma shaped bacteria, the vibrio, and spherical shaped bacteria, coccus, and spiral shaped bacteria, that is a spirillum. So these are the bacteria. The different kinds of different shapes of the bacteria. These are enveloped by the cell wall. Within the cell, that is a semi-fluid structure is there. This is called cytoplasm. Here in this cytoplasm, see here thread-like structure is there. Here it is the thread-like structure which is freely floating on the cytoplasm. So this is called the DNA. Here the thread-like structure which is present in the cytoplasm, it is floating on the cytoplasm. It is freely floating on the cytoplasm. So this is called the DNA. Here there is no nucleus. DNA is the naked DNA. They are not enveloped by any membrane. So it is called the naked DNA, which is present in the prokaryotic cell. And other than additional to this DNA is the genetic material. Addition to the DNA, here the plasmid is there. Addition to the DNA, a small circular structure is there. Here this is the small circular DNA. This is called plasmid. Small circular DNA which is addition to the DNA, which is addition to the main DNA. So this is called the plasmid. Here the plasmid have the unique characters. One of the characters is resistant to the antibiotics, which is used in the gene transfer mechanism. See here it is cut by the molecular scissors and which is inserted the wanted gene into the plasmid, and it is transferred to the host cell. So it is in the biotechnological process which is used in the gene transfer mechanisms. And here the ribosomes are also there. Here the lack of, here this cytoplasm, in this cytoplasm the membrane bond organelles are absent. The membrane bond organelles are absent. Here the ribosomes are only the present. Ribosomes are only the present because of the ribosomes are non-membrane bound organelle. All membrane bound organelles are absent in the bacteria. So here the non-membrane bound organelle, that is the ribosomes, are present in the bacterial cell. Here which type of the ribosome? Here the 70S type of the ribosomes are present in the bacteria, which is made up of 50S plus 30S subunits. And inner membrane of these bacteria, which is the plasma membrane, which is infolding, which means it is extended, and infolding. That is called the mesosomes. So these are the introduction of the prokaryotic cell. We will discuss in the next class what are the envelopes are there and how the envelopes are made by the different compounds. We have to discuss, and gram stains are also we have to discuss in the next class. So this is the introduction of the prokaryotic cell. Thank you.